Hi there, my name is Julia Mann and I am the owner and founder of Lash Tribe. Today, I would like to invite you on a little sneak peek of what is to come in our new course, Pump Up the Volume Fan Perfection. Within this course, you have over 20 modules where we will dive really deep into the perfection of fan creation, right? So this course is for you if you are a lash artist currently already doing volume, or you have just started doing volume, you've had a course in the past that you weren't quite happy with, or you just simply need something to refer back to in terms of having something really close up where you can see step by step. Because when you attend a training, a live training particularly, you don't take home any videos, right? So it is a really, really good option for you to have this sort of reference that is there for life, by the way. So if you gain access to this course, you will have lifetime access as well. Pump Up the Volume includes 8 different fanning techniques, including the dreaded L curl. Perhaps you are struggling with split bases, you're not getting that fan wrapped around that natural lash properly every single time, or your fans are uneven, or maybe when you pick up your fan, you have this massive straight T-bar or tree trunk, like I like to call it, and you don't know how to get rid of it. So in this course, I will share with you all of my tips and tricks when it comes to creating the perfect volume fan. I will go deep into those 8 techniques, so I'm sure that there will be at least 2 or 3 techniques that you can personally use and get that perfect fan happening for you. I will show you exactly how you can save this little split fan with just a few little adjustments of your hands. And I will also share with you my secret on how you can create the perfectly pointy base, nice and skinny, every single time without failure. I've also included a module on how you can work out exactly just how many lashes you can use within your fan to make it still be really safe for your clients' natural lashes. And you will also get my personally designed and crafted lash conversion chart. And of course, we're going to cover all of the basics, like what tweezers should I be using, how should I be holding it, how can I change my tension on the tweezers so I can actually adjust them and make them work for me, what product should I be using, how do I best dip this fan into the glue without it closing up on me straight away, and most importantly, how can I make this fan go from being created to the natural lash without falling apart straight away. And as a very special bonus, I am gifting to you a module which has not been released anywhere yet, which is my 30-degree angle attachment. With this technique, you can create the perfect line and beautifully angled looks that are really swept and elongating the eyes beautifully. And last but not least, like we do with all of our Lash Tribe online courses, you're also gaining access to our exclusive VIP Facebook group for your ongoing support. Again, you're gonna get all of these modules for life. You can rewatch them as many times as you want, and you can ask your questions within our Facebook group. With that being said, I really hope you do join us on the inside, and I'll see you soon.